Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video. Today is Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, but we don't do that at 4 o'clock. So that's going to be a separate video in itself. We're just going to go out, get some breakfast, have a little mosey around today, chill in this glorious weather. It's absolutely fantastic. Look at this. Beautiful. So I'm just waiting for Cam now. We're going to get the lift down and head out. Join us. Here we go. TJ Maxx. Here we go. A little look inside. TJ Maxx. It's where? Yeah, it's a bit nicer laid out, like. Look at these. Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head.
Rex from Toy Story.
That's so cool.
He goes at the front of your ear and then his body dangles down at the back.
Then you've got a little Mike in a ghost outfit. Little kitties.
Oh my god, look.
Chip and Dale. Little Mike in a pumpkin. These are so cool.
I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's a necklace or... Oh, it's a keyring.
Oh, that's lovely. Look at these, Pam. It's the Disney ghosts. Oh, they're so cool. We're seeing something similar, and they were like $45 in Disney. And I think it was even these.
It was the littler ones around, like that size.
Oh, these are so cool. So look, they've got loads of little word projects. $15, $25. Wow. Number one teacher, there's one for Helen.
There's one for your mum. Boy, mum.
Yeah, that one's lush. Why is that one 15? The other one's 24.
Where?
That one's really nice. Here's some of the Halloween stuff we've got. Little Hocus Pocus cauldron. Oh, that's cool. Oh, giant Oogie Boogie cookie jar. That's so cool. Look at this, it's like sheet. That's so cool as well. It's like a sheeted ghost. That's beautiful.
Oh my god, look at these glasses.
You seen that, Mickey, there? Oh, little ghost, ghoul and goblin glasses. They're very nice. Little martini glass, maybe? Oh, look at that. Love football. That's so cool. $7.99. Eat, sleep, football, repeat. Oh, that's really cool. Pam's found a little American flag pillow. $20. I really like that. There's some of the hats here. Amazing. Just look at how much bigger everything is in America. Look at this cement mixer. It's gigantic. There's a truck with no cab, just the cab. They're so cool, those American trucks. We're just waiting at these lights, so we'll probably got about another 18 minutes to go before the change. We're going to head down to a different Target so we can have a little look around. Basically it's 11:58 now and we're just going to go back to the hotel after this. We're going to head back up to the hotel, get ready like to take everything off me backpack for Mickey's Not So Scary, so we can take all the candy off the mouse. And then we're going to go and have an absolutely amazing afternoon, evening. We're going to go in basically from the second our tickets allow us to, and we're probably going to stay. Obviously we'll have plenty of rest breaks and like drinks and probably get some tea in the park and things, but we're just going to have the best afternoon and evening. And then tomorrow we head up to South Carolina. So let's head off. Look at the size of that fucking cement mixer. What's that?
Nando Grill. Dunkin', Jersey Mike's subs. Wendy's, Lowe's.
The Lowe's gas is expensive, mine. $3.19.
That's Marathon. Marathon gas, $3.19.
Right, we've arrived at Target. It's an absolutely beautiful morning. Target?
No.
Target. We're going in now. I'll show you what it looks like when we get through these doors. There's a Lowe's over there as well. Welcome to Target.
Probably got some more letters as well because
Get a little trolley.
it's so much better stuff than what we get back home.
We've got Disney section over here. Just letting Pam enjoy all these little things, and then we'll look around.
Oh, they go on the top of your straw for your Stanley.
Yes. We're just looking around the clothes in Target. And the shoes, they've got like big discounts on some of the stuff over here. Clearance things. Nightwear. More ladies' clothing. Clearance on the back wall there. And then, hello, are you good? And then we come into the more women's, is this? And then men's over there, I think. Ladies' clearance. Right, I'm just in Target fifth room. Gonna try on a few t-shirts for Mickey's. Join me. Pizza Planet. I don't really like the colour. I like this one. Nah. With this hat. I'm not really loving this colour. How amazing are these little NFL balls with all the teams on? Junior footballs. Wow. Oh god, more caps. Right, we're just heading to the tills now, and we've just spotted the trading cards. This is the first time we've actually seen them in one of the shops. Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Dragon decks. Squeezy Mate Legends.
Not a single Pokemon.
World Sports Upper Deck. Yeah, I'm just having the quickest look here. Topps Chromes, Yu-Gi-Oh! Alliance of Light. I don't know anything about these ones. Little Beetlejuice, plush dangler. What else do we have? Look at these. Prisms. NBA hoops, baseball. Wow, these are cool, man. Yo, look at this Joyride floor stand. Ryan is killing the game. Let's go. So we've just paid in Target, right? The lady's just brought the fresh pizza out. Is that not the most American looking pizza you've ever seen? $7.25 for these in Target. That's the cheese.
Oh, look at that one.
That is a total Home Alone pizza. Wow. I mean, you can get all your drinks and things. Your watermelon, lemonade, your frozen ices, fresh popcorn. This is amazing, man. We caved. We went for a cheese pizza and an icy. Let's take it out and leave. Thank you, bro. Now we're walking back into the furnace. It's the hottest day of the trip so far, and today is the day we're going outside the most as well. Mickey's not so scary Halloween party.
Sorry.
Pam's gonna try. Is it good? So we went for the all cheese, just the small pizza to share. That does look incredible, man. Yep. Cheers. We got a cherry and blue icy to share. Which is really good. Look at the size of Bass Pro Shops. We're going to have a look in Bass Pro Shops, the biggest outdoor and sports shop you've ever seen. Welcome fishermen, hunters and other liars. Look at this. Wow. Take a look at this. Look, so straight away you're greeted with restrooms when you come in. We've got like a hunter's lodge set up here. Loads of different fish on the wall. Look at this. I will not feed any animals, don't worry about that. So we've got all different t-shirts at the front of the shops. We've got everything laid out by sections as well. Rainwear over the back, all different areas of the store. The famous hats on the front. Look at this, man. This is insane. These hats you can only buy 25 per customer because everyone's just buying them and putting them straight on eBay. They are pretty cool though. Bass Pro hat stickers. Right, let's look around. on a store this size, where do you even start? So we're just going to come in. Clearance. Look at these. Neck gaiters, $6.97. Beautiful. Then you've got all of your Bass Pro Shop quenches. You've got all of your ladies apparel over there.
Look at that Yeti cooler.
Yeti cooler backpack is insane. Imagine going on like a fishing trip or a camping trip and just having that filled with some supplies. So they've got their fishing tank in the centre of the store here. They've got a whole Carhartt section. This is absolutely unbelievable to see all of this stuff under one very large, impressive roof.
Which one do you want to take a peek at?
Anything you want, man. Anything.
Let's just keep it nice and simple.
Nice and simple.
Nice and simple. Old Beretta M9. Used to be our service weapon, now it's a SIG P320.
And there's definitely nothing in this. No?
Definitely nothing in it. That's what you saw me doing. I was double checking to make sure it's empty. There's also a trigger lock on the firearm.
That's a lot heavier than I thought it would be.
Helps quite a bit with recoil.
What, so if it's light, it will recoil more?
Yeah. Yep.
That's crazy, man. Do you know, at a rough guess, how much do you think the entire inventory at the store, like just a rough, how much would you say?
How much it is?
Yeah, like I've guessed, obviously it's like bought for over 100 grand, I've guessed at probably 5 million.
I couldn't give you an exact guess. My guess is a lot.
Yeah, this is crazy.
I mean, just back here, counting all the scopes and accessories and firearms,
Yeah.
probably a couple million.
This is so crazy, man. Thank you so much for that, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, bro. Then, this is your $5.99 one with just like a print transfer. Then you've got like your classic trucker style hat. That one is very nice. No, I got this one. I'm happy with this one. And then you've got your high A-frame ones like this. Then you've got your individual ones with like the state of Florida on. Obviously all the states that have got them have got their own twist on things. Then you've got all of your standard trucker hats in different colours. Full mesh, keep you cooler.
Solo on a kid's ride. Let's go!